Well, I appreciate you having me up next because this is getting heavy. I was asked to head up the regulatory reform portion of this. And most of the regulatory reform aspect of our jobs bill has to do with reforming process. But it starts with first putting a moratorium on regulations until unemployment reaches 7.8%. During that period of time, while the moratorium is on, we're asking our regulatory agencies to measure regulations against a 21st century economy. We also change the process by, you might be familiar with the REINS Act, whereby if a regulatory agency promulgates a major rule, the Congress would have to weigh in on that and approve it before it can be promulgated. So if any rule or regulation exceeded $100 million cost to the economy, the Congress and elected officials would have to weigh in. But I thought maybe the single most important thing I could demonstrate today is why this is so important. I'm from northeastern Wisconsin, represent Wisconsin's 8th Congressional District, and have a very large and robust timber industry in Wisconsin. It's less robust today, and in fact, we're importing construction lumber from Canada just miles outside of one of the most robust forests in the United States. If we were to do a timber sale in the state of Wisconsin, this is the contract that's required, right here. Pretty simple to handle. However, if we were to do a federal timber sale, this is the contract. The studies and time, I was just in Rhinelander, Wisconsin, told by a timber company up there in Hayward, Wisconsin, that the federal government just finished a NEPA study for a timber sale in Hayward. Cost nearly $8 million, took 6 years, and the timber sale was for $4 million. All at the cost of the taxpayer and at the cost of Wisconsin jobs. And so what our bill here is intended to do is begin to clear up the red tape, reform the regulatory process, and make certainty part of the dialogue with America's large and small businesses. Thank you very much. And let's see, next up will be Representative Meyer.